आई और मैंने कहा you know what, I looked at myself in the mirror and I was like thank you God.
Yeah.
छपरी get lost. बहुत कम हो गया. Didn't like. Then वापस you go back to it, then you like.
As an artist, ध्वनि भानुशाली वैसे.
What do you mean 3.0?
See, darling, when you तो इसका थोड़ा उसके बाद एक नया वर्जन आ गया 3.
Thank you, all in the span of 5 years. Okay.
Physicality बहुत बदल गई है. So has it been?
Little bit. And ऊपर से वो 2 साल निकल गए कोविड वाले, तो कभी ऐसा लगता है कि यार.
और जबकि
yeah. I think for me, basic everyday training is important. I don't really go song to song. We're building. That is a professional part of it. You're making songs. You're going places. You're doing your shows. That's the job part of it. But I feel like to do that, you got to constantly be ready. And I just feel like I can't lack there for. कि मुझे डर लगता है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार कल अगर मुझे कुछ अलग करना है तो मैं कैसे करूँगी जब. या आई एग्री. एंड वही मैं बोल रही हूँ कि आदमी ग्रो होता है ना. When I was 21, I was doing things. When I was in college, I was graduating. Now I'm 26. Just turned 26. And it's just that while you're going through the years, you're also training yourself. You're also like growing mentally. Physically, you want to change yourself. And I feel like a human being at any point of time, if they think a particular thing and they want to be a particular thing, they can change.
Your father is one of them.
Oh, kabhi nahi. No, I think we're pretty much the same people, but I'm more calmer because of my mom. I think. No. My dad doesn't have a bad temper.
Achha.
Not anymore. I used to. But
Used to?
no, like but I tell you one thing with women or girls, I feel like they understand much earlier, than boys. So they'll sort of control themselves, and I feel like emotional capacity and the capacity to understand things is much higher, which I believe. And even with my mom and dad, I feel like my mom would take more decisions with a very calm heart, with a very not extremely fast and like round. And so I wanted to pick that up from her. So I said, you know what? It's okay. My sister is brilliant. She's got all the good parts. She will take her own time. She will not be pressured into anything in her life, no matter what you tell her. And I feel like that's a great thing to have as a human being. Because I feel like when I was starting out, I took a lot of pressure. And it somehow made me a little bit, upset. Yeah. बहुत खुश.
Now you're just happy and just flying.
My sister's incredibly proud of me, and we have a very friendly relationship. Like all she's very वो express नहीं करती इतना ज़्यादा. So something you like, nice. तो अगर आप मतलब उसके एक्सप्रेशन नहीं देखो जब वो चीजें देख रही है, आप जो उसको दिखा रहे हो, तो आपको पता नहीं चलेगा क्या सोच रही है. या शी भाई. No, I तो feel like she's great. मुझे ऐसा बनना है. I look up to her. Like, yeah.
मुझे ऐसा लगा बहुत सारी और बातें करनी समय है, लेकिन म्यूजिक एक ऐसी चीज है.
Absolutely. I feel like आप गलतियां कर सकते हैं. वैसे भी आप गलतियां करेंगे ही, चाहे ऑडियंस ओपन हो या. फील लाइक एज एन आर्टिस्ट जब आप बढ़ रहे हैं तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको पता ही है कि रोड मैप है कि मतलब मैं यही पाथ फॉलो करूंगा. एंड मेरे लिए भी आई फील लाइक क्या हो गया है कि आई डोंट लाइक टू बी इन like one place. So basically people were just like, we want the old Dhwani back. But then there were also people that were saying that, you know what, she needs time to explore and she needs to explore. And then people said their acceptance started happening the next day. I was just like, then I agreed to the point where you say that the audience has become more forgiving. But I don't think forgiving is the right word. I just feel like they've become more open to a lot of things. बहुत कम हो गया. Didn't like. Then वापस you go back to it, then you like. हमारे साथ भी पूरे दिन में क्या होता है, वी गो थ्रू सो मेनी इमोशंस इन अ डे. तो अगर मेरा बैड मूड है, मैंने किसी चीज को देख लिया है, तो मैं बोले यार हटाओ यार, नहीं चाहिए. बट देन इफ आई एम लाइक अप सिचुएशन, आई लव इट. बहुत
एक्चुअली तो इट वाज नॉट टू बैड.
एग्जैक्टली. या nervous time also, but I feel like you more than your one facet of your art, people want to see the whole thing. I just feel like tomorrow if I'm giving you an experience, it's valued more than just someone, which is also a great talent to have. I mean, we have such amazing singers in our country, and that's a totally different thing. But
correct.
और अगर आप जब एक पैकेज के हिसाब से चीजें कर रहे हो, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल चलो मैं अपनी बात कर लेती हूँ, आई सिंग, आई डांस, आई एक्ट, आई एम गुड एट टॉकिंग टू पीपल, हाँ तो मतलब इट्स अ होल पैकेज या, और मैं पहले से वही कर रही हूँ यार.
करेक्ट.
अगर अभी आपको समझ आ रहा है, वेल एंड गुड, समझ आ गया था. तो आई मीन आई जस्ट फील कि अपनी अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स होती है. मेरी बहुत सारी स्ट्रेंथ्स है जिसको मैं एक स्ट्रेंथ बना रही हूँ. तो मेरा फंडा वो है, और बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट का वो फंडा है, और इंटरनेशनली यही होता है. तो
करेक्ट. पीछे पड़ जाते हैं लोग उनके.
नो.
हाँ.
मतलब मुझे लगती है बात.
हाँ.
तो आई एक्सेप्ट इट. I mean, whatever. So, whenever it happened to me also, it's just that sometimes people भेड़ चाल है भाई. ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मैं नहीं, वो हम भी करते हैं ना यार. मतलब I just feel like then when that sharing happens and people are saying the same thing ना, you'll follow that trail and you'll be like, oh ये तो इसको कुछ नहीं आता, मतलब ये बेकार है, इसको हटाओ. तो it's just that, और फिर eventually people forget also. You know what? Relax. Move on.
बस.
What else? कितने लोगों को ब्लॉक करेंगे?
हाँ. मैं
तो मत करो, क्या फरक पड़ता है? नहीं अभी I just feel like fabulous. No, they're faceless. Forget it. Just don't even give गाली. I just feel like हाँ तुमको बुरा, because हम like I also read, and as a human being किसी के भी बारे में आप मुंह पे नहीं बोल रहे हो, आप पीछे जाके लिख रहे हो. मैं तो ऐसे सोचती हूँ, और फिर जाके so I do this one thing. नहीं तो मैं वहीं जाके टैप करती हूँ, बोलती क्या है छपरी, get lost. So I'm just like bro, खुद कर लो पहले तुम, फिर बकवास करना. I love it. I love being where I am. I worked very hard for it, and I'm still working hard. So I love my position.
वो बहुत ही मेरे को कनेक्शन नहीं लग रहा था.
Agreed. I'll tell you, most of the times it is the kids, it is, you know, the younger people. But sometimes, like the other day, I just got out watching the match. I came out and I was waiting for the car. There were two mothers who came to me and they said, "Can we have a picture with you? You make our kids really happy." And my mouth was like, I was just
sweet.
I was so happy. I said, you know, they said, why don't you make more songs so that our kids watch you and be happy. Wow. It's such a great state.
Songs. ये हम सबको भी पूछ रहे हैं. और songs.
हाँ. अरे नहीं यार, मतलब काफ़ी कुछ हुआ लाइफ में यार. I just feel कि प्रोसेस करने के लिए भी थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. And I took a little bit of time with myself. और मैं मतलब मेरे को कोई घोड़े पे नहीं जाना है. मतलब अब ये मेरा खुद का यूनिवर्स बना रही हूँ मैं यार. तो संभाल के बनाऊंगी ना, ऐसे थोड़ी मैं.
And
I just feel like influencers is a very different thing and artists is a very different thing. I feel like when you have some, एक कला जो है उसको बनाने में, बनने में टाइम लगता है. मतलब वो फैड टाइप आप उसको ट्रीट नहीं कर सकते. आप इन्फ्लुएंसर नहीं हो यार, आप एग्जैक्टली. That would be the right way to say it. No disrespect to anyone, guys. I mean, everybody's doing their own thing. And I genuinely feel like अगर मुझे कुछ करना है तो मुझे उस आइडिया को बड़ा करने के लिए या उसको फॉर्मुलेट करने के लिए टाइम तो लगेगा ना यार. मुझे ऑलवेज आई फेल्ट लाइक आई वाज मोर इंक्लाइंड टुवर्ड्स डूइंग एन इंग्लिश नंबर स्टार्टिंग से, बट मैं पूरी तरीके से तो वो नहीं कर सकती. तो मैंने सोचा मैं थोड़ा ऐड करती गई. तो इन सो दैट to want me, so that bit, it was a seed, and he actually told me that, you know what, why don't you write these lines and put it. So मैंने वो जब बना रहे थे तभी साथ में लिखा था, and he was very encouraging. So that time he said that always keep in mind that, you know, this is what you want to do also. So make sure that you're putting in those seeds. And what happened with Thank You God is we had Natanya, Miranda and David fly down from LA, and they basically sat with me. We did a whole camp. And Shlok. Shlok is a writer also a writer on the song. And हम सब बैठे थे and मुझे bangers करने थे, commercial गाने बनाने हैं इस बार. तो we sat and the one fine day I just, you know, I was looking really good. So one day I was looking really good. Okay, मेरे हिसाब से I was looking like क्या workout किया मैंने. तो मैं आई और मैंने कहा, you know what, I looked at myself in the mirror and I was like, thank you. So we made a song out of it. I was like, and then it sounded so good. When my dad, of course, listens to everything because I don't do anything without his approval in terms of music.
Yeah.
So he heard it and he really found like full spunk on it. So yeah, no, you know what, I feel like with him, he's been in the business for so long, but he's always reinvented himself. Matlab, today he would know more than I do, like about the current situation, and it's magical. I don't know how he does it, but he's always updated. He will have an opinion. He will say that this is my opinion, but आगे जाके तुमको जो करना है अब तुम देख लो. He will never थोपो, he will never be like, अच्छा मैंने मना किया तो तुम मेरी बातों को कैसे ऐसे कर रही हो. So I feel like even as a label owner,
correct,
whatever the artist wants to do, he will give his opinion, and at the end of the day he'll be like, you do you. Because I feel like then otherwise नहीं कभी भी नहीं, किसी पे भी नहीं. He has always been like, आप अपना original self को कभी खोने मत दो, you know, क्योंकि उससे confidence down हो जाता है. Yeah, little bit. And actually these days I'm doing a lot of classical with my teacher.
Wow.
So I don't know, I'm enjoying it. It's lots.
Yeah.
अभी प्रतिशत नहीं पता मुझे, but very different. I feel like Vaste sounds the most different. And also I'll tell something about Vaste. When I dubbed Vaste, when I recorded it, I was extremely sick. It was like that Phoebe moment. And that whole because I was running around, I was supposed to shoot for Le Ja Re at that point, and I had just gone and dubbed it with Tanishq, and he said, यार ये तो tone अच्छा sound कर रहा है, गा दे.
बीमार
थी, अब next time मैं बीमार होके same आऊंगी. So it's just that I feel like sometimes people confuse the tone with the key and with so many other things, and then call it auto tune, which is damn funny. कुछ नहीं कर सकते. It's like makeup. I feel like even Arijit spoke about it at length, but उसके नीचे भी जब मैंने देखा, there were so many comments. I was like, क्या है यार, चुप करो.
I love this.
चल गई है सर, इस साल आप देखेंगे क्या क्या होता है.
दोस्तियाँ बनी है कोई?
बहुत
जाते
कम.
जाते, हाँ.
पता नहीं क्यों. I just feel ये एक बात है. I mean मैं ज़्यादा नेगेटिव बात नहीं करती, but I just feel like दोस्तियाँ, I think artists, या तो मैं किसी को शायद I have not been able to connect so much, and I am नहीं, लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं, I will never say that. वो सिर्फ 5 मिनट का रह जाता है ना यार. फिर आप समझ नहीं रहे हो मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, कि डीप रूटेड फ्रेंडशिप्स यहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगता है थोड़ी कम बनती हैं, बिकॉज इट ऑल्सो इट्स सो कम्पिटिटिव दैट पीपल स्टार्ट टू फील वेरी डिफरेंटली अबाउट यू आफ्टर दोज 5 मिनट्स. जब वो बाहर जाके देन नहीं यार. इसलिए मैं अपने डैड और मॉम के साथ जाती हूँ वेकेशन पे. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, हम गोवा जाते हैं. आई गो टू गोवा ऑल द टाइम. मतलब पिछले साल मैं गई होंगी कुछ 5 बार.
हाँ, उसमें से
नहीं
जस्ट हॉलिडे.
एंड लाइक आई सेड
2024 के लिए काफी सारी चीजें होने वाली हैं. वी रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. थैंक्स फॉर जॉइनिंग मी.